guess the guys stopped for lunch break. Okay, and it's obviously two guys, ladies. Most of these backhoes are charging $65 an hour. Okay, so I'm telling you, if what you do sometime, if you know you have a budget of, say for example, you can only pay for 4 hours, then you tell the guy, hey, here is what I'd like to get done, and here's what my budget is, here's what I'd like to get done, and then most good backhoe guys gonna try their best to get done for you in the space of time that you said you have a budget for. So for example, that whole load there, that's 22 yards. The truck just came. He says it's going to take him a half an hour to spread this. Now, to spread this all out in the front, he's going to spread it all out in the front. Then he's going off on that side, and then he's going off, he said, on this side, and then the back last. So again, he said it'll take him half an hour to get this spread, that 22 yards spread in the front here. So yeah, he needs to stop talking, get back to work. So you know what that is, guys, when you're, again, you have to monitor, when you're building a house and stuff, you have to monitor people's, well, see, I do it for full-time living. People that don't do it, it's hard obviously then to monitor people's time and your work because you have another job. For me, I've chosen this as my job, so I get to monitor what the guy's doing. So I'm probably a lot more knowledgeable than a lot of women, a lot of women, because I actually do it as a stay full-time, hiring the guys, watching the guys. And a lot of guys you have a fallout with, because some guys don't do good work, some don't, some still want to get paid even though their work is not good, and then some guys are professional at what they do. Like I like my plumber, my electrician, my cabinet guy, always reliable. But a lot of the guys are carpenters and stuff like that. A lot of them that are carpenters and stuff like that, a lot of them guys are not trained, not tradesmen, didn't go to school, don't know measurements and stuff. So a lot of times you can get issues with them, yeah, of doing it properly. Now for something that don't have to meet code, then anybody can do anything for you, right? But where you find a lot of problems with stuff that got an approval by planning, then it has to meet code. You see what I'm saying? All right, so I'll turn off here. My backhoe guy is doing something else, it seems. All right, take care, bye.